Hi friends, I'm Laura and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating a little kit for me to work with in my Gratitude Documented this year. Throughout the month of November, I'm doing a project called Gratitude Documented, and each day you document one thing you're grateful for. I'm using a combination of printables from Illustrated Faith, and then I'm also going to go through my scrapbooking supplies and pull together a cute little kit of things to help me complete this project. So for my album this year, I was very inspired by Felicitas. She has had some incredible videos on her mixed media this last year on her YouTube channel. And recently she did a day in the life project and she did a mixed media background for the entire album, and it was stunning. And so I thought that would be really awesome for me to try out for my Gratitude Documented. So I chose some autumnal colors here. There's some orange, yellow, pink, and white in the background of this mixed media paper that I painted. And then on the back side, I actually had some deeper color tones, some browns, and I covered it up with several layers of white gesso because I realized with all the dark spots, it would be really hard for my photos and journaling not to look very cluttered and get lost on the page. So I covered it up with lots of layers of white, but you can still see the areas where some of the previous dark brown is kind of shining through there. So these are two slightly different mixed medias here, slightly different color palettes, but both of them have pink, white, and then also some orangey yellow undertones. And I want to make my album pages out of this. The next thing I know I'm going to be using are some of these printables from Illustrated Faith. I have these daily numbers. This is from their Gratitude Documented either last year or the year before that. So they're definitely something I had previously purchased and then print off this year. And you can see where my printer ran out of some of the colored inks right here. And it kind of turned it all pink and yellow, but I actually kind of really liked the way that looked. So I didn't bother reprinting it. I also picked up this really cute one. This is from Illustrated Faith this year. And I thought it was so cute with a little girl. I think my printer's a little bit on the fritz and I'm not quite sure how to fix it. I was also printing on sticker paper and I found that my particular printer does not print true colors on anything other than glossy photo paper. So working with a little bit of that, but this is very cute. I thought the trees were so cute, the pumpkins, the leaves, the mushrooms, all that autumnal stuff. And again, this is sticker paper, so I can cut everything out and use it as a sticker. I thought these would be really cute embellishments throughout. Can you just imagine these really saturated, cute little trees on the very soft mixed media background? How charming would that be? And then the other thing I picked up is not a Gratitude Documented set. This is from the Go Deeper set by Vanessa Walker. And I just thought that some of the colors were very autumnal. We've got some great leaves here and some kind of mixed media shapes, the meditate, remember. I loved this paint swatch right here. Some little threads and more mixed media shapes. I thought those would be great layering pieces. So those are the supplies I purchased for this kit. I think I spent about $15 on different printables. And now we're gonna go through my scrapbooking supplies and what I already own and grab some things together to make this into an actual kit. And I'm so excited. I have this acetate container here. I think it's usually sold as a nail polish organizer. I had previously bought it to store my ink pads in, but I didn't find that to be a very good solution for my ink pads. So I'm hoping I can use it to store some of my kit supplies in here. I'm not sure if the paper will fit. We'll see. These containers are not very deep. It's like 2 inches deep, so the paper might just kind of fall out. I'm not sure. We'll see. But I thought that would be really cute to be able to hold some of the supplies in here. So the first thing I wanted to pull for Gratitude Documented are my wood veneer pieces. These are so cute, and I rarely ever use my wood veneer. I have this entire thing full of them. I would love to use some of them up. There we go, that's the right direction. I've got lots of numbers and letters, ampersands, hearts, stars, lots of cute little phrases and words and such, and also some cork pieces in here too. And I just love the warm tones of wood. That feels extremely autumnal for me. And then I also want to pull some cute embellishments probably for the album spine. I'll probably do a really cute keychain with different charms and tassels and stuff coming off the edge. So, thinking, I really love this camel colored one. That's beautiful. Or I guess this is camel colored. This is a little bit darker, but I love that color. Like, those would be really cute together. Ooh, what about an orange too? Like a burnt orange maybe? And then do we need to add a pink in there? No, I don't think so. What about this color? It's cute, but I don't think so. Oh, that's cute too. We'll see. We'll see what I end up using, but I'll pull those ones for now. I also love this dark green color too, but I could save that for Christmas maybe. Next, I've got my container full of all my autumn supplies. This is all of my autumn themed scrapbooking stuff. Kind of fit into one box, and I thought I would just grab some various papers and embellishments that I think I might want to use. I am going to try to keep this a reasonably sized kit though, and not too big or overwhelming. So I do want to keep that in mind. There we go. I've got a couple papers from that paper pad. I've got some really cute embellishment packs here. I'm not sure if I want to use really dimensional stuff. We'll see. My guess is because I'm planning for it to be a smaller album and it has to have, you know, it's a daily project, so I'm probably going to do 1 or 2 pages per day. It's going to be thick and chunky. And so considering that it's going to have 30 pages thick, I'm thinking that I'll probably want to keep the embellishments a little bit flatter. grabbed a very generous collection together here. I wanted to go for a small kit. Didn't really work out that way. I had a lot more cute autumn craft supplies than I remembered, and there's so much goodness to work with. So I've got a couple of packs of Felicity Jane die cuts. I thought those would be perfect. They're both from previous autumn years or autumn seasons. I've got different vellum phrase stickers. I think I have a couple packs of these with different designs and different brands. I've got some stickers that I had printed off from collections from previous years. These are all old stickers. You could tell they've been cut apart and most of the page has been used, but there's still some left over. Of course, I had to have some brads and enamel dots. I love using those. I've got quite a few 12 by 12 pattern papers here. I thought that would be great and could really help me add some pages because this mixed media paper that I made is not going to be able to make 30 pages. It is not quite that big. And then I've got this is a rose gold heart paper clip in here. Some different Project Life cards I have printed off from digitals. More washi tape phrases. These are some rub-ons. I love the Auburn Lane by Pink Paisley. A lot of the stickers that I had printed off are from that collection. And so I also have a ton of these little acorn die cuts here. These are also digitals that I have printed out in a previous year from the Pink Paisley Auburn Lane collection. So I have tons of those, and I think those will be a recurring theme throughout the album. I grabbed this Heidi Swapp sticker pack. It's got some great copper foil on it that I thought would be great for labels. A little sticker pack here full of autumn icons. This is from Artifact Uprising, which is a company that sells prints and photo albums and stuff. And I have saved this print that came with one of my orders probably for 4 years now. And I just thought it was so pretty with the black and the white and the font that they chose. With gratitude, thank you for supporting us. We're excited to have you on board. So I always save that for my order, and I thought it would be really cute to add into my gratitude documented because of that word gratitude. We've got some really cute butterflies here. These are 3-dimensional butterfly stickers with gold foiling on them. More die cuts. This is from Simple Stories. More phrase stickers that I have in my stash. These are all older collections here. I've got some cute little felt leaves, some wood veneer leaves, tons of old stickers that I had printed off. Look at that little squirrel and some cute little flowers there and pumpkins. Lots of things to choose from. A little sticker pack of different leaves. Some cute little scraps of paper here. Kind of went with a theme. These are different phrase stickers. And I don't think they're all Halloween. Let me check that actually, because if it's Halloween themed, I don't need them. But I think there's autumn themed ones in here too. No, these are all Halloween, so I can take these out of the kit. Don't need to use those. This is snail mail that a previous pen pal had sent me years and years ago, and I had always saved it, not really sure what I would do with it. But so many of these elements are so cute, I thought I could kind of take it apart and use the pumpkin, the leaf, the acorn, the little fox on different pages in my album. Some more little scraps of paper that I had. This cute chipboard sticker pack. And then we're back to the printables I started with and some 6x6 papers I pulled. So we've got lots of fun options here and things to choose from. Of course, my tassels. We've got some sparkly leaf die cuts. And then in the very bottom here, if you can even see that anywhere, my mixed media paper that I started with all the layers of paint on it. So that's what my kit looks like. It's a hodgepodge of different autumn themes, different companies, mostly supplies that I already had, and I'm so excited to dive into this project. I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I put together this kit from things I already had in my stash to create an autumn themed kit for Gratitude Documented. And if you want to follow along with how this project goes and the crafty things I create, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on if you want to find out when there's a new crafty video uploaded. Thanks friends so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!